Hello everyone, my name is Sanat Biswal, also known as the Accountant Guy, and in this video I am going to demonstrate how you can utilize this subscription expenses tracker to track all your subscription expenses. So first of all, we have a subscription overview section over here which shows all the subscription at a quick glance. So underneath the categories view, we have the subscriptions divided under active and cancelled subscription. So underneath each category you will find the name of the subscription, the total expenses incurred for the subscription, and the billing period for the subscription. If you want to change the billing period, just click on this and you will find all the options of the billing period. You can also change the name of the billing period as such, but I recommend not to do that. So you can select any of the billing period as per your choice. After this, you will have the expenses section, which is again divided into different sections of the subscriptions that you have taken. So this shows entertainment, education and music over here. If you want, you can add a new group altogether by clicking on this plus icon. Once you do that, you will be given an option to add a new group, or else you can edit the existing group by clicking on that and changing the name as such. Underneath each classification of the subscription, you will find again the name of subscription, the total expenses, and the percentage of each subscription towards the total subscription expenses incurred. You will also have a quick action button over here which says add subscription. So once you click on this, it will automatically add a subscription which will go under no subscription category. You can simply click on these three dots and move it to any classification of your choice. So let me put it under active mode. Then you can click on this pencil icon to edit the details of the subscription. So this is just a quick addition button of the subscription over here. Now moving down, we have the transaction section. This is where we were going to feed all the details, where we'll be able to book the expenses for subscription. So first of all, we have an active subscriptions view over here, which shows all the subscriptions that are currently active in the active status. Then we have a cancelled subscription view as well. So over here we have bifurcated the subscription into different months. So the later the month, it appears on the top, and then we have the total sum of the amount of the expenses incurred for that particular month. So to start with, we have the status of the subscription. So once you click on this checkbox, it says that the subscription is currently active. So after that, you have the details. Then you can select the subscription account. So once you click on this, you will have all the subscriptions opened. This will be pulled up from all the subscriptions that you added on top. Then we have the billing period. This is again pulled up from whatever value is set on the top as we discussed. Then we have the payment date. So you can click on this and you can choose any date for the payment of the subscription. After this, you can put in the amount of the subscription expense, and you will automatically find the renewal date getting calculated as per the billing period that has been set. So as an example, we have the Netflix subscription that we paid on September 30 as an example, whose billing period was set on a frequency of monthly basis, and the next renewal date is October 30. So it calculates exactly 30 days or a month from the payment date. So similarly, we have for annual subscriptions and also weekly subscriptions. So this is how you can create a quick subscription transaction over here. If you want to cancel a subscription, you can just simply click on this checkbox. It will automatically put it under the cancel status. As you can see, we have got a YouTube subscription which is under cancellation status, and it is also getting reflected over here on the top as well. So in order to quickly add a subscription, you can just simply click on this pay subscription. It will automatically add a quick subscription over here, and you can start putting all the details as per your requirement, and it will automatically update. So this is how you can utilize the entire subscription tracker for your personal use. I hope this explanation was clear to you. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me at notionformyuse@gmail.com, and we'll be happy to assist you on this further. Thank you for everything till here. And one more thing is that I have included this explanation underneath this tracker. You'll also find a quick tutorial how you can change the currency that you see on the dashboard, so you can put it under different currencies as per your choice. So this is all that I had to discuss. Thank you.